Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is Crypto Elite. In today's video, we are talking about how Moody's, the official credit rating agency, is actually going to start rating on cryptocurrency. And we also have a couple other news stories, but before we get there, let's check out the overall portfolio. As you know, my portfolio is very transparent, and that is something that 99.9% of other crypto YouTubers cannot say. So we will check out what I am doing. As you know, if you follow the channel, I'm actively trying to buy one full BTC, and I'm averaging in every single day. Right now I'm at about 0.44 BTC, and the overall trend for the market at the time of this recording is just trading sideways. If we check out the 1 day for the BTC, we can see we're hovering around 23,000. If we zoom out once again to the 7 day for BTC, once again that 23,000 range support and resistance is definitely there. So it looks like we may stay here. The main question, if we zoom out to the 1 month and 3 month, is what is going to be next. So from the 3 month, we can see that there definitely was a bull flag that was painted, and once again another bull flag that was painted. From here, it looks like we can either break to the upside or break to the downside, but we are at that critical level. We'll just have to wait for the news volume and check out and see what the big money wants to do with it, because ultimately it's the big money that pushes all these assets up or down. I also have Ethereum, 3 ETH right now, Theta Network. I know a lot of people are very curious about what I'm doing with my Theta coins, and I just recently received my T-Drop airdrop, so I will be selling my Theta coins as well. So you should see a little bit more USDC coming up very soon. I have Cardano USDC and then Theta Drop. So that is my overall portfolio. Let's dig into those news articles. The first one has to do with Altspace VR. Now I know you may not be familiar with this. I actually was not familiar with this, but it's a news story for the overarching theme. Last year, 2 years ago, the big theme for Web3 was the metaverse. Everyone was talking about the metaverse. Everyone wanted to be part of the metaverse. If we go to coinmarketcap.com once again, and there's little tabs over here with different categories, you can see DeFi, NFTs, metaverse is one of them. Everyone wanted to be included in this, and it looks like the metaverse could be slowly fading away. We'll see. Microsoft is shutting down its metaverse. And here is a quick article. I won't run through all of it, but the big points here is that Microsoft is shutting down its metaverse, and it's the Altspace VR has already been through this once, and it's going to happen again with the sunset being March 10th. So Microsoft decided that they wanted to acquire something to respond to Facebook's pivot to VR when they changed their name from Facebook to Meta. They bought Altspace VR, but ultimately they decided that it is no longer something they want to continue down. So my thoughts, maybe the metaverse is one of those buzzwords that might fade away and then come back again here soon. It's kind of like 3D printing. It's one of those cycle sectors. You just have to kind of wait for the cycle to come back in the news. But right now, metaverse is not there. I think AI is definitely the cycle sector that we are in. So that was the first story. The second story has to do with Moody's. Moody's, like I said, is a major credit rating agency. So every single government, they have some sort of credit rating against them. All stocks, all bonds have credit rating against them. Moody's is one of the large companies that gives those credit ratings, and they are going to start rating stablecoins, which is very interesting because coming up soon, a lot of big money wants to be backed by stablecoins or have the option to include stablecoins into their portfolio so they can exit and enter crypto very easily. And Moody will reportedly include analysis of 20 stablecoins based on the quality of the reserves backing them. And that is very interesting to see. Like I said, they said that this project is still very early on and the score would not be equivalent to an official credit rating yet. But I think in the future, that is probably where they want to go because they want to be that premier credit rating agency. They want to be the first to get there, and they are taking the steps to get there. And all of this, guys, is just giving crypto a little bit more legitimacy behind the curtains. So that was the second story. The last story has to do with Senator Ted Cruz. Horrible picture, but I do dig what he wants to do. Once again, these are small little baby steps, which ultimately mean big things. So let's check it out. Senator Ted Cruz wants to force Capitol Hill vending machines to accept crypto. That would be very interesting. So if this resolution is passed, Capitol Hill visitors will be able to buy Pringles with Bitcoin whenever they're burning the midnight oil. And like I said, this is a very, very small move, but if you force crypto all throughout Capitol Hill, the senators who do like it and don't like it, they're forced to either look at it or interact with it on a daily basis. And what he wants to do is to work with the contract, or have only contract with food service contractors and vending machine operators that accept cryptocurrency for the Capitol complex in Washington, D.C. Like I said, very, very small steps, but I think a lot of these small steps can definitely push the overall space forward. And with that being said, the overall market has been very up and down. I am taking this time to average in every single day. I have a portfolio of cryptos that are going to 10x very soon. They have been doing very well. If you're interested in seeing what those are, check out the Patreon link in the description below. If not, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.